Hey everybody, it's Chuck, Outside Screwball. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Let's see, this video is about grinders, but before we get there, previous Screwy Tuesday I think was 3-jaw, 6-jaw. I've got a buck chuck, 6-inch buck chuck. It's a 6-jaw chuck, and I found some 2 sets of 3 jaws, top jaws, and I tried to fit them to this chuck, and showed some grinding on them, and I didn't show grinding the actual jaws themselves, but I'll just put it real simple. It's a fail. I don't really understand the fail at this point. When I have more information, I will provide it, but right now, if I chuck something up, make a pass, flip it 180, put it in the chuck, make a pass, flip it 180, put it back in, it should be concentric, and I'm not getting concentricity. My guess is the scroll's no good, but I don't know. So to be determined. But so right now, the 3-jaw, 6-jaw seems to be a fail. The only good thing is I do have a set of jaws that I can copy and make some aluminum soft jaws if I decide to do that. Before we move on to grinders, I just wanted to express my sincere thank you to all the viewers that asked me about Tim, my son. As you know, he's a special needs guy, and he was back in the hospital about a week ago for about 5 days. He really actually appeared to us not being that sick, but we knew something was up and took him in, and his white blood cell count was at 26,000. So he had an infection of some sort. He typically has an aspiration pneumonia. This time they called it an amitis, whatever that is. He's home, and for him, special needs, it's always a slow recovery, but each day he's improving, and we just hope we can get to the top of the wave again. I mentioned the other day, for him it's like he's ill, and then he gets away, and then the wave starts cresting again towards good health, and then there's that top of the crest where he's in super health, and then the wave tends to crash again, and we go back through a cycle. So right now he's still trying to climb up to the top of that wave, and he's a good lad, and we do everything we can for him. But anyway, thank you everybody for your support and well wishes. I really appreciate it. Okay, now that all that jabberjaw is done, grinders. As I mentioned in my last video I did on Saturday, I think, I showed a new tool in the shop, and I'll put a card up there, for a grinder that I picked up, a 2-inch by 36-inch grinder. And I mentioned that I've been collecting photos of other people's grinders like that. So we're going to go through a photo, what do I call it? Going to show you some photos. How about that? Going to show you some photos of different grinders. Some are actually from Tom Lipton's shop, the one that he built. You've seen it in use on his channel over the years. And others are from various shops and or picked off the web. So I hope you enjoy it. You can stop. I'm not going to talk about them. I'm just going to maybe put a little verbiage in where I got it from, and you might stop the video, and you can actually look at different setups, whether how it's built, whether it's where the wheels are, where the platen is, where the table is. There's all sorts of different types there. All right, again, thanks for stopping by the channel. I appreciate it. There's some Howie boy. Ah, we'll get a little video in here of Howie. There's Mag. Go get Mag. Go get Mag. Go get Mag. Play with Maggie. Go on. Get it. Get it, Howie. Get it. Oh, get it. Maggie just tears him up. Maggie's my daughter's golden retriever, and he outplays Howie. Oh, be quiet! Come on, get it, get it, get it. See how she can spin, and he can't get it. Get it. Howie's 4 and she's not even 2 yet. But you notice as soon as Howie goes for it, she'll spin.